Ramesh Kaimal is the chairman of the council, who is the head of Gamesa Wind Turbines. So we have eminent members from the industry who guide us on a day-to-day basis in our activities. So under whom we do a lot of projects and consultancy and advisory. So this is our building. We are housed in a green building. The solar panels, we have about 24 kilowatts of solar panels mounted on the rooftop about 10 years back. So we have been running successfully for the last 10 years. And they produce about roughly 30,000 units per annum. So it was supplied by Tata BP Solar. Yeah, Tata Power Solar now. Thank you for that. So it caters to about 15% of our total power requirement and savings to the tune of 1.8 lakhs and all that. So these are some of the important activities we do at the council. This is very interesting project we have on the off-grid side. It's a rural energy access project called SPEED, funded by Rockefeller Foundation of USA. And we have many partners in this. We have the largest NGO called TARA, Development Alternatives at Delhi, who is doing the social mobilization part. We have other partners like Sea Kinetics and all. So the CIS role in this important project is industry engagement. We want to bring in private investment into this rural energy space. And we are working with currently about 23 ESCO companies have invested in about 15 projects in Bihar, Jharkhand, in all those regions where the energy access is very poor, the grid has not reached. So the target for SPEED is right now in current phase, we want to do 50 pilots across the country, mostly restricted to 5 North Indian states. The scaling up to 1,000 and then to 10,000. What we want to create in this project is to create a sustainable and replicable energy model, which is viable for the banks to finance, for the companies to enter in. So this is actually the technology employed is a hybrid between solar and biomass gasification. We have small biomass gasifiers of 20 kilowatt capacity. And these are the three loads. One is a household load for electrification. Second is a microgrid, where we can supply to mobile towers and other enterprises, and also to rural micro enterprises. So these are self-explanatory. We want to do energy plantations in the village. Then we want to run oil expellers. Then wood will be sized and then fed into the gasifiers for power generation. These are some of the real pictures from the ground. And then SPEED is an inclusive model where this is a SPEED framework essentially, at the heart of which is the integrator, is the power producer, a small power producer. Then SPEED, the constellation of all the partners, would support him in terms of finance facilitation, in technology, packaging, then integrating them with the telecom loads, then capacity building of the rural entrepreneurs and matching them to the industry. So we work around the ESCO companies and give them 360-degree assistance in setting up these pilots. So this is, I think, SPEED is an important platform as far as CA is concerned, as a rural gateway for entrepreneurs to enter the rural energy business. So these are some of the unique features of SPEED. As I said, mobilizing private sector industry participation in this rural energy space, which has not happened before, all the while it has been a government initiative. And to build a sustainable and scalable rural energy business model with a reasonable return on investment. So we are working with the high-level advisory group. Mr. Jamshed Godrej is heading this group. We work with CERC ex-chairman, Mr. Pramod Dev, Debashish Majumdar of IREDA, then the prominent industry towers, Indus Towers, which is a huge company in this sector. So I'll skip through this. Then, so these are the plants which have been set up in Bihar and UP, a mixture of solar power plants and also biomass gasifiers, basically in the Saran district of Bihar. Then in Faizabad district of UP. So we are working with Gram Power. All the known names in this sector have tied up with us. and they are working along with us. So we are giving them back-end support. So this is green power market development. India is the second important initiative in the megawatt utility scale project we have. We are working with Shakti Foundation and also World Resource Institute, who has done a similar program in the US and mobilized about 700 megawatts of capacity.